how did this entire food habits evolve?
We are not recognizing, we are not recollecting, we are not remembering the great food culture that our ancestors had.
We were hunters and gatherers first, and then we started growing and eating, but now we buy and eat.
Wherever energy is ready, that is junk food. If you want a good health, good nutrition, don't look at nutrients, look at the diversity of diet. Eating is not just that, I want to get a 2000 calorie and work hard. That is to make the life miserable.
So how do we then change this habit? I mean, like if someone has to develop good food habits.
Rice polish has got 15% dietary fiber, 20% good quality fat, almost 18% protein. All the B complex vitamins that goes to animals, buffaloes. So it again depends, when you say 1 ml of water per 1 calorie, it also depends on if you are eating too much of cucumber, you may not need so much of water,
yes,
because 85% of the fruits are water. We are not cultivating a broad spectrum of taste. What in Indian philosophy calls rasa, the raso vaisaha. The Lord himself is bliss and rasa, they say.
How to eat right? What all can you learn from this course? What are the actual evolution in food habits? What do you mean by a good food habit? What do you mean by balanced diet? What is the right timing to have food? What do you understand by food discipline? Cooked versus raw food, which one to choose? Organic versus fertilized food, which one is better for health? How do you pick a climate-friendly food? What is the food chart for pregnant women? What are the good food habits for kids? Food habits for adults? There are many health apps. How to use that? What are the anti-aging food habits? Healthy food habits for women and suggestions from our mentor. To watch this course, please download Financial Freedom application.